Okay, hey you guys, it's Dominique LaShae again, and by this title y'all already know what it's finna be. Baby, pack with me cause your girl going on the trip. So y'all already know around this time it's my birthday month. My birthday is June 3rd, big Gemini season, and this time so my family planned like a cousin's cruise, and guess what, it landed on your girl birthday. So I'm like, baby, this finna be my birthday trip, cousin cruise slash Dominique turn up. So let's just get into the video cause y'all already know we don't do all that talking. I want to switch it up a little bit. So I'm like, let me do a pack with me video because y'all know I'm already trying to turn y'all up. This gonna be like a pack with me, pack essentials. I'm gonna show some of my outfits, but I'm not showing all my outfits because stay tuned to the vlog. So y'all, the first thing I'm finna pack, when I say is very, very, very important because this is the deal breaker. This is the, did she come on this trip stinking? I know she just didn't come on this trip stinking. If you guessed it, y'all already know. I want to thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this segment of the video. So if you don't know who Dossier is, in the next 3 minutes, baby, come closer. You finna know who they is. So we gonna get into it, y'all. We gonna get into it. When I say the packaging is always so gorgeous, and it's a luxury that makes sense. So the very first one is Amber. Girl, my hand's so dry. Amber Saffron. So get into it. And if this one is inspired by the Baccarat Road 540. And stop playing with me, cause I just know this. Baby, they giving me the big bottles. They have the big bottles. Oh my god. So this is the Amber Saffron. Oh, let's get into it. I pray this one like Baccarat. Oh my god. Oh my god. That first scent just like hit. Girl, that smell good. And the top magnetic. Stop playing. Oh my god, I smell that top note. So the top note is orange blossom, and I smell it. When I say this smell like the real Baccarat, I bought my sister Baccarat for Christmas. But y'all did y'all thing. Stop playing with us here. Oh, this smells so good, y'all. We finna go on a cruise. So the ocean is just the wind gonna be blowing. And picture this scent on. Dudes coming, wind blowing, scent coming out. Woo! The next scent we have is Ambery Vanilla. Let's get into it. Stop playing with Dossier. This is the 3.4 fluid ounce. Ooh. Oh, this smell good. Oh my god. This coming like YSL. This is definitely coming like YSL. That's black opium all day. What I tell y'all, stop playing. This is the Amber Vanilla, which is inspired by YSL black opium. And y'all, I'm just now opening this, so my guess was right. Stop playing. Oh, again, y'all, they have the big bottles now. So this is your 3.4 fluid ounce. It lasts all day. So be sure to check out Dossier, y'all. Again, all that stuff will be in the description box. Y'all already know. When I get a gift, y'all get a gift. So be sure to use that coupon code. Be sure to go on their site. Father's Day is coming, y'all. They do have cologne for the men. Hey, your man smelling good. So thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this video. And now y'all already know I'm taking both of these with me. Let's get into the suitcase. First thing, Dossier, baby, both of them. Before you put on perfume, you need good soap. That is an antibacterial soap. Then you come in on top of it with the Dove to make sure your skin is good as soft. It's going in my suitcase because we can't be stinking, baby. I found these at Dollar Tree. These are your regular pads, organic 10 count. I keep track of when my period is coming, so it's better to have it than not have it. Panty liners, always. This is also from Dollar Tree. This is 20 count. Ladies always should have liners in their purse. This is my first cruise. A lot of people say the shower is small. I've been getting mixed reviews. Like, some people say it smells, some people say it don't. Even if it do or don't, I don't want like my soap sitting out. So I have a soap holder. You just put your soap in there, see that, and close that up. This is a car air freshener or cherry, but I'm not gonna use it as a car. I'm putting it in the bathroom. And when I say this is so strong, yeah, to make sure it don't stink, Airwick stick ups. I'll put one in the bathroom and one in the room. Okay, flushable wipe. I always go in with a wipe after a tissue because I don't want no crumbs in my panties. We on a cruise. I'm gonna have on a swimsuit. I don't need no little crumbs floating around the pool. So please, ladies, y'all, flushable wipes, get flushable wipes. This is also from Dollar Tree, 36 count. So that is what I have there. So I have disinfectant wipes, baby. I'm wiping down everything before I go into the room. Also, feminine cleansing wipes, Ultramax deodorant. Make sure you have deodorant. before I get into the garbage bags, Destiny bought me a travel laundry bag, but I didn't know she bought me a travel laundry bag. You just open it up and it like bounce out into a travel laundry bag. No, she gave me that after I had already bought the scented garbage bags. Your dirty clothes have like a little, I ain't gonna say they have a little scent, but they dirty, so scents can stay in and my new stuff can stay free. Also, punch up paper, you know, it's wide open ship. Rain ain't stopping nothing, so I have a nightlight for the room because I don't know if it's gonna be dark. And also batteries, motion sickness relief. And y'all, I know y'all looking like why she got the out brand, because I know it's Drummond. It started with a D. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but I put me and my cousin went to Walmart and we put these side by side and read the active ingredients, and the active ingredients is the same. This one was $2 cheaper, so you can get the Equate motion sickness relief. I'm gonna take this before I get on the boat because your girl not trying to be seasick, your girl trying to have fun. Also, toilet seat covers. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take a number 2 on this trip. I'm not trying to squat in a boat. I already say we got some waves coming and you doing this and trying to use it. Baby, I'm not finna miss no toilet. Stop playing with me. I'm sitting down. So after you wipe with the disinfectant wipe, so you're gonna spray this and then you're gonna come on top of it and put this toilet seat cover on there. Extra large size for this extra large booty. Stop playing. Pillowcase. I don't know why. My mama told me to get a pillowcase. I just got the satin pillowcase. I'm gonna put this on my pillow and sleep good, knowing I'm gonna clean. Not worry about no germs. Not worry about if it's clean. I also got this from Five Below, y'all. It's a fan. It's called a tornado fan. It's really handheld. It's lightweight. Ooh, but the wind not lightweight, baby. This come half big. And it's a stand, it can sit up. So I have that in a charger. And y'all, another thing that I don't have that is in Destiny's suitcase is the what you call them, the universal, what you call it, the plug with a lot of plugs in it. What you call it? I don't know what you call it, but we have one of them because it's only one plug in the room, so you're gonna plug that up, which makes a lot of more plug, whatever that lot of more plugs thing called. We got one of it. Go check out our Destiny channel. I'm pretty sure she gonna know the exact name for it because I don't know, but we got one of them. All right, so where's my toothbrush? 3D Crisp White toothpaste, because y'all already know these teeth stay white. This is the only toothpaste I use, so I had to bring this. And also a toothbrush because, baby, we gotta smell good. Oh, that Dossier still here. Also a towel clip holder because it's gonna be windy and I don't want my towel to just be blowing up off my shirt. And sometimes I eat like a kid, so I need the stain removal wipes. Yes, I ain't got time to be going to keep changing clothes. Now we finna wipe and keep going. Something to take a bath with because the older I get, the more I don't like towels. I like these little things and they scrub better. It's like exfoliating while you wash at the same time type thing. So yes, this, and Destiny got the little clips and all that in her suitcase. So yeah, what I don't got, Destiny get. So we going to Mexico, and you only can use reef friendly sunscreen. I got this from Walmart Equate. It's a reef friendly right here if y'all can see that. But in Mexico, it's against the law just to use regular sunscreen. It have to be reef friendly. So be sure if you're going to Mexico, you have reef friendly sunscreen. We don't need you to go into jail over sunscreen. Why you go to jail, baby, for sunscreen? For spraying sunscreen? No ma'am, we're not doing it. And I feel like, I don't know, I just bring these because I don't think bugs is gonna be all in that water, but you never know. A mosquito might attach to my suitcase coming from Memphis, and I don't know, but if he attacks, baby, I'm ready for you. Also, if you're going on a cruise, y'all, they don't have straws. When my mama saw these, she was like, girl, this is not the straws I was talking about. She want me to get the metal straw. So, but I already bought these, so I'm just gonna keep putting these in my fanny pack and use these. Yeah, so I also got these from Dollar Tree. And a cup, because you can bring one cup on a cruise and it like a pineapple. It's look cute. We doing water type excursion, so I have the waterproof case, luggage tags. I got the it's like I can't explain what all this stuff is. Not explain, but I don't know the proper names for it. But this is for my seller ship card, which you have to keep on you at all times. So I have this little vinyl, whatever you call, seller ship card holders things. So let's get into the good stuff. This came from Amazon. I will have it linked if y'all want it. This like a crochet crop top with the little brown buttons right there. It is so cute. I'm not gonna really explain my outfits because I'm gonna do like a day 1 outfit, day 2 outfit, and I want y'all to watch the vlog. This is also the bottom. It's like a skirt. I'm gonna put on black, everything black with this because it's a little see-through. Your girl finna be so cute. Get into it. And y'all already know this is my favorite color. This cover up is to die for. It is so cute, and it got the little drawstring right here, and you can pull it up if you want to make it a little tighter. But I'm gonna pair this cover up with this swimsuit. Just picture that together. Just picture that together, babies. Can't have the swimsuit without the anklets. Shout out to your local beauty supply store, $2.99. I got this from Amazon. This is so cute. Like I said, when I was shopping, I wanted all tropical stuff. This is like a 2-piece set, pants set, and all my stuff haven't arrived. So a lot of my stuff coming from Amazon. Y'all can't see this shirt yet, but we have a cousin's shirt where we went on the same day to the Celebrate party. Y'all follow my Instagram for that picture, Dominique _LaShae_ cause we finna be lit. This swimsuit is so cute. So I'm pairing old with new. When you're going on a trip, you really don't want to spend too much money on clothes. You want to enjoy the trip. So go in your closet and put some old stuff with some new stuff. You gotta mix it together. You gotta know how it works, baby. With just a regular black swimsuit bottom. We got that going. If y'all watch my Miami vlog, you already saw this one. So again, stay tuned, baby. I'm putting old with the new. Going on dinner one night, and I just want to like some little elegant dresses, not too much. But this is so, it's like a halter top with sleeves to black at the bottom. And I feel like every trip need a beach hat. Every trip you need a beach hat, and this not only a regular beach hat. This is a sunscreen approved hat. This one is actually gonna protect you from the sun. Very detailed. I'm gonna pair this with this dress. My mama coordinated this very well. She wanted everybody to do like an all white dinner night. So this is my, it's like off white, but it's white. So I'm gonna pair this cute little spaghetti strap dress with this hat. Picture it, baby. When I say detailing, with these earrings right here, detail. Stop playing. And then my beach bag, because we are definitely stopping in Cozumel, Mexico, going on the beach. And they just say kindness. I got this from Five Below. This is so cute. So yeah, this was a quick pack with me. This is not everything I'm bringing. I did a lot of the Amazon 2-day shipping, so I'm still waiting on a few more items to come in as far as my outfits. And y'all already know I'm vlogging, so stay tuned, y'all. This is my first cruise. I'm so excited. And again, don't forget to check out my description box. I'm gonna have y'all coupon code for Dossier in there. I'm gonna have a link to their website. So be sure to go shop on Dossier. Again, thank you for Dossier for sponsoring this video, y'all. I'm finna smell good. I'm finna look good. I'm finna have fun. We lit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to interact with me. Go meet me in the comment section. And yeah, bye.